We had baseball practice tonight, so I wanted to make something super quick that he could eat before he left. These little air fryer chicken bites are so good, and it's one of my kids' favorites. Once you got your chicken cubed up, throw in some mayo, garlic powder, Montreal chicken, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Mix it up, throw in the air fryer on 400 for about 10-15 minutes. Once that's finished, you can either put barbecue sauce on it. I usually serve it with mac and cheese. There's so many ways to serve this. Enjoy.
Close my eyes and I try to see. I bite my tongue. I close my eyes when I try to see. I bite my tongue when I wanna eat her. I try so hard to fight the feeling.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.